Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creation. Today to do a project share number 2 with you from Beebeecraft. If you're not familiar with Beebeecraft, they have a YouTube program. If you have 100 subscribers or more and you have some activity on your channel, they will partner up with you to do an unboxing and 2 videos to follow. And all they ask is for you to do that, and they want you to put everything down in the description box with their website and the YouTube program coupon code that I will put across the screen here, and I'll leave it down in the description box. That I got from them will also be down in the description box if you want to check it out. So yeah, you can check out my coupon code and everything. And so what they want you to do in return is to make 1 video of an unboxing and 2 videos to follow of their products. I would have had this out last week, but I have been sick. So, yeah. So in the unboxing I got some of these. And on my first project, I made some keychain dangles with some of these. And I got these bows. So I love the products that were sent to me. And then I got this chain here with these charms on here. So I got those. So I made several projects here to show you. So the first one I made was a tassel. And this is just a yarn tassel with a unicorn. And I used this here, this bow, from their products. So there's that. And this was really fun to make. And this is going into a swap I'm doing. She doesn't know I'm going to be sending it. But this is one of the items I made. And I like how the yarn turned out on this. Very pretty. I just punched a piece of paper out. Okay. The next thing I made was this chunky charm, and I used the beads here to another one there. And one here. And this is a unicorn chunky chain. Let's see here. We got some more. So I just kind of put the beads, the bow beads, kind of everywhere here that they sent me. So this is my chunky charm. Let me know what you think of this. I don't make too many of these, but as you can see, it's all unicorn. And because last summer I was supposed to be in a unicorn swap and I wasn't able to get to it. So, and I put all the bow beads on here. It's in 2 parts. And the next thing we're going to do is make a bracelet. And I set up a little pattern here, as you can see how I want to put it on. And I like using the snake, I guess they call it snake chains, and these European type beads. You see it? That I want to use. And it looks like I'm missing, no, I don't think that's supposed to be there. We have an extra there. So this is my pattern. I started with a purple and I ended with a purple. So let's put it together real quick and make sure you guys are in view. So here is my chain, and to me these are really easy because you can I've made several bracelets using this, and I love how it comes together. So all you got to do is just slip it on. Just make sure you guys can see okay. And I like using these chains because it's made for this. See the round circle? You just slip it on. So I hope you guys can see okay. These are so easy and they make quick gifts. These beads are very, very, very sturdy. I mean, they're very thick. They don't break. And that's what I like about them. See how easy this is? Very, very simple. You just lay out a design that works for you. And this is Halloween, and I know Halloween has ended, but some people actually like it all year long. And I plan on giving this to my daughter because she likes this kind of thing. Voila! There is your bracelet. And my hands are kind of chunky, so I'm just gonna slip it on here. Make sure you get it in the thing. And voila! There is your bracelet. Look how shiny that is. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love it. Thank you, Beebeecraft, for letting me do your projects. I absolutely think this bracelet is gorgeous. Let me know in the comments what you all think of this bracelet and how easy it is to make a quick, easy gift, a bracelet as a gift. I've ordered some of these off of Amazon in the past and decorated them up, and it doesn't take very long to do that. It's beautiful. I love, love, love the way this turned out. My wrists are a little fat, so but I plan on giving this to my daughter, like I said. So yeah, guys, this is beautiful. I love it. It turned out beautifully. And yeah, so please go check out Beebeecraft's website and all the items I purchased off of their website. And if you want to apply for their program, that will also be in the description box down below. I hope you can check that out. All right, guys, thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel, hitting the thumbs up. Please share me out. Check out my Instagram. I have an Instagram account, and my link tree will be down below. And so, yeah. All right, everyone. Take care. Stay safe. And as always, God bless. Bye.